Previously on Addy Family Adventures. So over here we have a saber-toothed, what is this, cat? So this is a relative of our friend Fred, who we seen earlier. So it says, families hunted for wild foods and sowed seeds to grow a ready supply. I think this has moved this into the 1800s. Am I correct? Of Indiana? So Indiana has a diversity of dramatic landscapes from rugged cliffs to gentle rolling hills. Each contains a unique blend of geological features, plants and animals. These distinct areas are defined as natural regions, groups of plants, animals, and their physical environments that exist in a stable balance.
Do you think this will have DR?
No, we're higher up. Yeah, but we're north of Muncie. I mean, if this is Randolph County, then we'd be up somewhere right here.
So we're probably in like the Bluffton Till Plain section.
Whatever section this is, 5C. So this is a scene from the Concockie Marsh. So we have an elk standing here. So it says American Bitterners, which were a kind of bird. I don't see where they're at, but they're saying they're here. Oh my gosh, look at that giant. Looks like a dragonfly. But they got the elk. They have where you can actually like feel the elk's fur right here. So, and then they have some geese flying in. But they got all different kinds of birds and everything. They got, ooh, here's a muskrat down here. You can feel his fur too, which is right there. Oh, muskrat hiding. But they got all different kinds of stuff. Let's see, they have, oh wow, the croaking chorus. So we can already kind of hear them.
Green frog.
So that's what the green frog sounds like, the bullfrog.
Bullfrog.
It's kind of loud. Eastern gray tree frog.
Eastern gray tree frog.
Spring peeper.
Spring peeper.
And the Fowler toad.
Fowler's toad.
Some loud amphibians. Over here we have a scene that's from the Tipton Till Plains. So we got a thing you can lift here. Oh, look at that. It shows like all kinds of grubs, and inside this dead tree log as it's dying, bugs and everything that get into it. There's a raccoon standing back here by a tree, and then we have a mountain lion right here. They also have where you can feel the mountain lion's fur, but it talks about the different stuff that they have here. So, oh wow, they say they got poison ivy. Oh yeah, poison ivy over there on the tree. May apples. Okay. Red buds. They show the different stuff. Tulips and everything like that in here. And then come over here. There it is. It looks like he's stalking the deer over here. So we're gonna go around this tree. I'll show you. There he is. There's the deer. So they got animal calls right here. So we got.
After a successful hunt, The mountain lion growls and snarls to protect its precious meal from freeloaders.
Wow.
A gray squirrel spots a distant
Oh, he's up
predator
here.
and begins to warn its neighbors, causing a commotion in the treetops. A male blue jay shrieks to proclaim his territory.
What we got next?
An American robin responds
Oh,
with an
there.
alarm call when it senses a nearby threat.
And then last but not least,
A white-tailed doe, detecting a mountain lion ready to pounce, signals its fawn that danger lurks nearby.
so it's pretty neat that they're interactive like that. But then you also have like, you got, looks like doves or pigeons flying over. So next up we have a scene from the Shawnee Hills. So it looks like we have a turkey. We have a black bear back there. You can feel the black bear's fur right here. They have an Indiana bat. I don't know where he's at. It looks like he's somewhere under something. I didn't see. There's stuff over in this area. I don't know. I didn't see the bat anywhere. So we're gonna come around. So the bear is over there. Actually, you can stand out in the hallway and see the bear. He's back in the cave. Mammals of North America. So, wow, a cave cricket. Look how big that thing is. I'll try to stay out. They show different. Oh, there's a bobcat up here. I didn't see the bobcat. So, but the bear is right back here. He's looking out the front. They have an owl. Where's the owl? Is that the owl right here? I think. Great horned owl. And they have an Allegheny wood rat. I don't remember where that's at. Oh, there's a squirrel up there, but I don't see the Allegheny wood rat anywhere. This is, what do you call this, Marge? What kind of scene?
It says it's called the Tipped and Till Plains.
Well, that's what that one was over there.
Oh, I don't know.
But they have a deer, white-tailed deer right here, small, very young. White-tailed deer. They've got some stuff they're showing like earthworms, and I don't know what this is. Emerald ash borer. But they got a possum back here, so it's kind of showing like almost a littered area.
Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's saying, I guess it's just a scene that you would find in the woods, because that right there, that plant with the white petals,
Yeah.
that is garlic mustard.
Okay.
And then that's a redbud tree.
Right, I seen that.
This is an ash tree.
Or a red oak.
Wait. No, it's a red bud. Oh, this one is the red oak tree, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, that one must be the ash tree.
Okay.
Maybe. A beech tree,
Okay.
honeysuckle,
All right.
and then the burning
Yeah. So-
bush.
So what? Well,
Poison ivy.
yeah, I seen they have poison ivy over there. There's the white-tailed deer and coyote, so you can feel their pelts. What a white-tailed deer feels like,
That's about normal. I mean, that's pretty
Yeah.
much.
and then like what a coyote feels like.
This just feels like to me like,
But
I don't know.
is this a common house cat?
That's what I was wondering. It doesn't really say here. It just
No,
says,
it doesn't.
They were talking about how, like, did you know that earthworms were destroyed here,
No.
and then right here.
I seen the earthworms over here.
Yeah, it says they were wiped out of Indiana's earthworms during the ice
Because of the
age.
glaciers?
Yeah. So then when the Europeans came over, they brought exotic earthworms as part of the ship ballast and stuff.
Wow.
So that's how so then not picky, starlings devour pests such as clover beetles, cutworms, Japanese beetles, grasshoppers, ants.
Okay.
They've been known to eat, so it's these.
Okay. So this is coming from a place we've been planning on visiting. It's not too far away from us. Like many Midwestern wetlands, early Europeans saw the Limberlost Swamp as useless land waiting to be converted to productive farmland. The Swampland Act of 1850 allowed people to drain the worthless wetlands owned by the government. Whoever drained the land owned it. They used large steam-powered dredges to create ditches and hand-bury clay tiles under the field to move the water into those ditches. Over the next 100 or so years, local farmers managed to grow crops but suffered losses due to flooding on a consistent basis. In 1996, the Indiana Department of Natural Resources, along with other states and federal agencies, began restoring the Limberlost Swamp to its original wetland status. Since then, over 1,700 acres have been restored, helping to control floodwaters, along with providing valuable habitats for many species of plants and animals. So,
You want me to read that one?
yeah, if you want.
The bald eagle, America's national symbol. The bald eagle was extirpated from Indiana about the same time as the Limberlost Swamp was drained. Loss of habitat and the widespread use of dangerous chemicals led to their demise. But in 1985, the Department of Natural Resources reintroduced bald eagles to Indiana and restored the Limberlost Swamp.